was so lucky to be able to go out to North Dakota and pick these things up. These Diptolone. But WINDA, I've always been curious about them. See how they're made. See if they're see if I can tell if there's any detection that they were done by from Beihai. These might actually be Beihai, I'm thinking. I want to take a look and see if there's a cross match and a 3/8 timing fuse to them. So let's go inside and take a look. Alright, here we are. Here we are, Diptolone. Let's take a look inside. Let's get into this one. 30 bucks a box. I guess that's going retail. And they're pretty honest people over at Generous Jerry's. That's 30 bucks. It's going to be suggested retail. Let's take a look at the box better. There we go. That looks good. Bottom side. You got your do not do this kind of stuff there. The other side kind of looks the same. That. Running on both sides. Okay. Oh, don't work like that. Does work like that. Heavy duty cardboard tube. The way they do the base. Okay. Oh, they got that hidden way in the bottom. Okay. And it just says made in China. Doesn't have the name of the prefecture or anything like that. It says about the launch tube on there. Doesn't have any effects on it. This end up. Okay, let's get in. Keep this in view for you this time. These have been touted as really nice shells, and they make a great review that people have been doing. Every time I see these on the YouTube, they're looking great. To be honest, I don't really remember if these are mines or not. I don't think they are. I think they're just a plain shell. Here it is. And yeah, it's just the way a normal normal ball shell would look. And that looks like normal BP in there. It's not shiny. Maybe that is a 3/8. Maybe that is a 3/8 fuse in there. They put a lot of slurry on it. So, I'm thinking that there is no cross match, but still, that's a 3/8 fuse. That's still pretty damn cool. Rather than a Visco. See if I can get you in there any closer. What I should do is zoom it. Get the light. That's pretty good. Now I'll go and do another one. Maybe get a better look. Oh yeah, that looks better. Good amount of BP. Oh, it's a good thing I went into it. I went into this, guys. This one here is cross-matched. Very nice. These ones might actually be B-high and not in the tradition of. Yeah, it's just BP in there. There's no mine with it. So yeah, these are, it's fucking awesome. Damn cool. I'm gonna take pictures of that bad boy. All right, depth alone. WINDA. There we go. Cool as shit.